Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion in the steps of the discussion is the steps in the urine formation. Urine formation has three steps. First one is the glomerular filtration, which occur in the Bowman capsule, and second one is the tubular reabsorption. Third one is the tubular secretion. Okay, now what is the composition of the glomerular filtrate? Uh, okay, here we have to discuss the kidney functions. These functions are the pressure filtration. It is done by the glomerulus of the nephron in the Bowman capsule. Second one is the selective reabsorption. It occurs by the ductal system of the nephron. I will explain you pressure filtration with the help of this diagram. When the blood enters into the glomerulus through the efferent arteriole, then here the filtration occurs, and the filtrate which moves into the Bowman capsule is known as the glomerular filtrate. It is known as the glomerular filtrate. Glomerular capillaries are always porous, just like other capillaries, and the pores of these capillaries are impermeable to the proteins present in the blood. Blood is coming here. Blood has plasma proteins, cellular elements, as well as plasma, which is the liquid portion of the blood. Now this liquid portion, along with the various waste water, is filtered through these capillaries into this bag, which is known as the Bowman capsule. And this glomerular filtrate is free of the proteins and the cellular elements as they remain in the capillaries, and the concentration of the glomerular filtrate in the Bowman capsule includes the water and the organic molecules, which are similar in concentration of the plasma in the blood. However, some exceptions occur here. Calcium ions and free fatty acids, they are attached with the proteins in the blood, and they do not filter here. Okay, glomerular filtration rate, as this filtration occur with the pressure. It depends on the hydrostatic and the colloidosmotic pressure, as well as the capillary filtration coefficient, which is abbreviated as, or you can say, which is termed as Kf. Hydrostatic pressure is the pressure which is exerted by the liquid portion inside these capillaries again and against the walls of these capillaries. Next is the colloidosmotic forces. It is the pressure exerted by the blood proteins against the walls of the capillaries. Okay. Next one is the capillary filtration coefficient. It depends on two factors: porosity of the capillaries, pores or fenestraries present in the walls of these capillaries, and the surface area of the capillaries. As the capillary have more surface area, this is obvious that capillary have more pores, and when more pores are present, it's mean more filtration occur here. Okay, next is the glomerular capillary, and now I'm going to discuss the structure of glomerular capillary membrane in the next slide. Before discussing the structure, I am going to discuss the 22% of the blood in the all. Blood is circulating in the kidney, and kidney clean 1100 ml of the blood per minute. Kidney contain 8 to 10 lakh nephrons, which is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. 3-layered glomerulus, and blood pressure via afferent arteriole is 60 mm of Hg. This is the afferent arteriole. This is involved in the movement of the blood toward the capillary network, and efferent arteriole, it moves blood outside the glomerulus, and in afferent arteriole blood pressure is 13 mm of Hg, which is lower. The main reason of the filtration is the high pressure in the afferent arteriole. Epithe wall of the glomerular capillaries are three-layered. Inner one is known as the endothelium. It has various fenestrae over it, and its fenestrae carry the large negative charges due to large negative charges. Proteins present in the blood are not allowed to move outside. Next layer to the endothelium is the basement membrane. It is composed of the collagen and the proteoglycan, and this layer also have large pores, and these pores allow the movement of the water and the small solutes. The basement membrane also prevent the movement of the strong negative proteins from it, because in its composition proteoglycans are present, and proteoglycans have the negative charge. Next layer to the basement membrane, are the outer layer, is the epithelial layer. Epithelial layer has a specialized foot-like processes over it known as the podocytes. These podocytes have the fenestrae or openings between them, and these are known as the slit pores. And these slit pores also have negative charge over them, so these also act as a active barrier for the movement of large negative proteins. This is the composition of the glomerular filtrate. Water is taken as a standard in this filtration, or the movement rate of the water is known as the standard for the filterability. Molecular weight of the water is 18, and its filterability is 1. Sodium has same filterability with the water. Glucose has same filterability with the water. Myoglobin is a protein, and it has 0.7% filterability, as well as insulin has 1% filterability, which is a hormone. Albumin is a protein, and it has 0.05% filterability as compared to water. Molecular diameter of the protein albumin is 6 nanometer, whereas the pores of the glomerular membrane are about 8 nanometer. It means the size of the pore is smaller as compared to the size of the protein. Second factor is that this protein also have the negative charge over it. First factor is smaller size of the protein, smaller size of the fenestrae, and second factor is the negative charge on the fenestrae, as well as the negative charge on the protein is present. That's why this protein is not able to cross the barrier of the capillary membrane and filtered into the Bowman capsule. In certain disease conditions, which is known as the minimal chain nephropathy, various proteins are filtered through the walls of the glomerulus. The reason behind it, these capillary membrane loses the negative charge over them, and this condition is known as proteinuria or albuminuria. Now, incidence of the nephrotic syndrome in the children is 1 to 8 is 80%, and in adults in the second or third decade. Etiology, this term is used for the disease with the unknown reasons, loss of net negative charge on the capillary basement membrane. Okay, which factors determine the glomerular filtration rate? First one is the hydrostatic and the colloid osmotic forces. Second one is the net, which affect the net filtration pressure. Actually, net filtration pressure is the combination of the hydrostatic and colloid osmotic forces across the glomerular membrane. Second one is the glomerular capillary filtration, or KFC. Glomerular hydrostatic pressure favors the filtration, while Bowman capsule colloid osmotic pressure, it also favor the filtration. Bowman capsule hydrostatic pressure, which is 18 mm of Hg, it opposes the filtration. Glomerular Capillary colloid osmotic pressure, which is 32 mmHg, it decreases the filtration. Okay. As the blood moves from afferent arteriole to the glomerular capillary and then toward the afferent arteriole, protein concentration increases in the efferent arteriole. The main reason is that here the filtration of the blood occurs. Mostly fluid portion of the blood is filtered into the Bowman capsule, and then when this blood enters into the efferent arteriole, its concentration of the protein increases about 20 times. The normal hydrostatic pressure in the glomerular capillaries is approximately 60 mm of Hg, and glomerular filtration rate is determined by the arterial pressure. If the arterial pressure is more, there is more filtration. Second factor is the afferent arteriolar resistance. Resistance is the impediment to the flow. If it is more, it causes the decrease in filtration. If afferent arteriole has more resistance, then this decreases the GFR rate. And if the efferent arteriole has more resistance, or there is some blockage in the efferent arteriole, then the pressure or the GFR increases in the glomerular capsule. This is the completion of the topic, that is the glomerular filtration in the kidney, or you can say that the first step of urine formation. Okay, thank you.